Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this week's tutorial, we're talking about how to install a graphics card into your PC. Here's the graphics card. I'm running an AMD system, so I bought myself an AMD graphics card. Look at the steps. We don't follow those. Twist them up, slide it down. Up. Okay. Get it out of here. There we have it. I like these new graphics cards because nothing's exposed.
Take a look at
this
older one.
And it's not even that old. And it's kind of stuck on me. Whew. It's always good to have some metal. Touch the metal constantly so that you're not full of electricity, like when you shock yourself or your friends. You touch it, and then you install. Comes with a little cap you gotta take off. Hey! Make way for it. I really have to do some cable management. I really do. Perfection. Pop it right in there and secure it with some screws. You don't want this thing to move at all. Okay, let's go power it on.
Later.